Well, hey folks, good morning. And I wanted to introduce you to a new product I got in here in the studio. And I think it's going to be really, really great. But thanks and welcome back to Jack's Tech Corner. And today, I have a little bit of coffee here in the morning. And hopefully I don't wake my wonderful wife downstairs when I'm recording this, because it's pretty early in the morning. As you can see on the clock there, it's about, what, there's no clock on this version. Oh, 6 o'clock in the morning. So anyway, we're going to talk a little bit about this new product. And I think you're going to like it, and it's something I'm sure it says in the title already. So I'm recording this with my iPhone. We're going to see how it works out. I don't know. Hopefully the audio is okay. But we will be talking about the Neewer, N-E-E-W-E-R, LED studio lighting set. Now, I picked this up on an Amazon deal the other day, and the Amazon link will be down in the description. If you're going to purchase this, please use the Amazon link and help the shows out here. You know, you buy it, it's the same price for you. I get a couple dollars back off of the sale, so it always helps out. So thank you so much for doing that. So why did I want a new set of LED lighting? Well, obviously, if you see the lighting in this room right now, you can tell that I'm always kind of orange. My hat is not perfect color. My shirts are a little dull, so I thought, hey, we'll pick it up a little bit, get some studio lighting in here. And it was relatively cheap. This kit was about 40 bucks. There's 2 lights in here with stands, and they run off a USB. So you're also going to have to pick up a USB plug. This is a double USB plug here. This was $6 extra on Amazon. So. Alright, so I'm going to try to adjust the camera so I can show you what's in this box. Maybe I can open it and just show you how it's boxed right now. There you go, the whole kit. So everything comes in one box, and hopefully I can put this all together and everything works well, but you're going to see that firsthand this morning. So let's go ahead and dig into this box of LED studio lighting. And I'll show you exactly what's in here. Let me get the camera rearranged and we'll talk about it as we unwrap it. Let's go. Okay, so let's start out with looking at the box itself. You get the lights with the power cables, and as I said, it's USB. So they don't plug into your house current, which is kind of nice because you can take these things on the road and use them wherever. And it's a light panel. Very lightweight. You can see where there's a insert here. See this insert for this natural white lighting? I'm going to show you why they did that in just a minute here. But so it's an LED light. It has a stand mount on the bottom for the stand, and try to bring it up anyway. I'm using the monitor light. There's a little bit of lighting here for you right now, but. You have a on and off switch and adjustable switch here, so we can make it dimmer or brighter. We can bring it up and down. We can adjust the lighting how we want it, and we have a on-off button in the middle. Okay, an on-off button in the middle here. And if I had an extra USB plug here, I may have. We'll see if we can turn one of these on right now, just to give you a little idea of the lighting. So I'll just take that off. They give you a lot of cord. I'm really pleased with how much cord they actually give you on this thing. I'm trying to show you this at the same time here, but so they give you an awful lot of cord on these lights. Keep us closer. All right, try to plug this into USB over here somewhere. I have a USB plug. We'll see if it'll actually come on. You can see here where it's very, very bright. We can dim it down. So you can take it down, lower, bring it up higher. And man, these things really put off a lot of light. You probably can't see it on the camera there, but it is really lit up. And then just hit your power button and shuts it back off. So it really works well. I think what I'll do is I'll go ahead and test both these lights out. You get 2 of them, 2 light panels. So we're going to turn this one on too. Just unplug that grinding on that cable. Let's see here. The power button is on. You can see this one's up now. And the dimmer switch does work. That's the bright setting. There you go. So let's put this one aside. The reason those panels come out is they give you color insert gels. You can see here. There's a whole package of color insert gels, green, blue, and orange. You'll see a lot of people putting this as their backdrops, which I think is really super nice. We got a couple of pamphlets here. There's a couple little pamphlets going on. Neewer. And this is the ZC10S. ZC10S. I'll put that in the video description. Alright, let's move these pads over there. Let's see what else is in this box. Obviously, cardboard. Put that aside. You got light stands. Pretty interesting stands here. Try to open one of these for you. Kind of packaged so where we can't get them open. Let's see here. Now these are plastic. They are not the most sturdy stands in the world, but they will suffice and they'll work really well for what we're doing. So that is the base. Here is one of the telescoping rods. Standard, right? Come out, they lock. The base simply screws into the tripod stand. You just screw that in there. It also has a handle, so it also operates as a selfie stick if you care to do that. I don't know why exactly we would do that, but and then we have the little ball head that goes on the top here. Somehow this just screws onto this one. See this? Simply screws on here, or not. Let's see how that does go on there. Get a little bit more light up here. It's interesting that it doesn't really want to screw on there. Okay, so it does screw on there. Loosen this side up over here. You flip this up. And there you go. Okay. It's kind of interesting. It's not like a GoPro connector. See this? So this will mount on any GoPro connector too. So that's pretty handy, I guess. All right, seems like it's all together. We're going to take one of these lights then, screw it into the top. I guess you have to spin it on there. Which is interesting, to say the least. That would be screwed in that way. So there you go. So you have your light on your stand. Okay. I'm going to connect this one up to see what kind of lighting we get. Wish I had another USB stand here, but we don't. All right. All right, we'll see what kind of light we get out of this. Unplug that one. Plug this one back in. All right, to see how much light we got there then. Okay, so we can see that the lighting is really good now. I mean, you can see my whole face. You're not getting shadows from my hat. The hat's lit up. The shirt has a lot better color now. And just in comparison of where we were before, this is one LED light, only one. And I'll show you that here. Let's go around here. So you see one light with the light stand, okay? So it's only one LED light, which is really nice. What you would do is set up the second one on the other side of your face to relieve any shadows from this side of your face coming in. But what's nice about this is, let's take a look and see without the lighting. Okay, so this would be my normal video, and you would see how my lighting is. Obviously, not too dramatic. You can't really see. There's a lot of shadows on my face because I only have one lamp in here. So, but let's turn it back on. We can see now it's fully bright, right? So I'm really lit up, and you can sit back and just talk to you guys. So I would say this is definitely win-win. This is a light that you would really like to have in your collection. As I said, you get two lights, you get two stands, two tripods, two mounts. You get everything you need in this set. The only thing you don't get, and you're gonna have to buy this, I bought the double one. So a double USB plug. Okay, so I can plug this into an AC outlet and be able to use this lighting kit anywhere. I do like that too. I like that I can use it, throw it in my laptop case, and use it on the road. I think that's incredibly important. When I first seen this with USB, and I thought, man, I don't want USB. I said, it's not really my cup of tea. I wanted something that plugged into electricity, but these will also be nice, I think, if you go out for any photo shoots. If you're doing photo shoots, these lights would be really, really nice to have and use. The dimmer switch is really nice to be able to go down. That's actually going, let's see here. This is up. We can actually go down in the light. So just give you just enough light there to light you up. There's some harsh shadows in the back, but you know, hey, that's lighting. So, well folks, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Neewer. It's a great company. I purchased a lot of stuff from Neewer ZC10S. ZC10S. And remember, if you're going to purchase this set of lights, it's worth it. For 40 bucks, you can't beat it. But use the link down below in the description, because that's going to also kick back a couple dollars to the show here, to Jack's Tech Corner, and I appreciate your efforts. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this will help you out. I know I've been looking for some portable selfie studio lighting for a while, and wanted to get something lightweight. You can't beat these things, man. These are amazing lights. So, all right, thanks. I will talk to you next time. Until then, keep those shutters clicking, keep the editors editing, and I'll see you back here very soon. Bye for now, everybody.